In this video, we're going to go over battery installation and how to turn the motor on and off your ParBike. Here is the front side of the battery. You'll notice the lock for the battery, and this is the battery power button. When the battery is on, you'll notice the green lights will be on. On the back side of the battery is the charging port. That's located right here. To charge the battery, you'll take your charger and you'll plug it into your charging port. To install the battery, you will want to put the battery on top of the battery rack located under the basket on the sport model. The battery lock should be on the passenger side. You must push the battery to the driver's side until you hear a click to lock it in place. With the battery on, you'll be able to turn on your display by holding the middle button on the controller. The top button, which has a plus sign on it, will increase your pedal assist level. And the bottom button, with the negative symbol on it, will decrease your pedal assist level. The pedal assist is located on the bottom of the display. The higher the number, the more the assist. To remove the battery, you will want to use the key provided to unlock the battery and slide the battery to the passenger side.